guys, are you applying to college soon and you maybe have some questions? If so, really exciting thing going on this next week. I'm flying to New York City, all the way from Los Angeles, to join Yahoo Finance for a Q&A at 2 p.m. Eastern Time live. It's going to be on the Yahoo Finance Facebook channel, facebook.com/Yahoo Finance. You guys can go check it out there. And I'm going to be answering questions from you guys. So if you have a question about college admissions or tests or anything of that nature, please email it to moneyquestions@yahoo.com. And if you're lucky, we will answer that question as part of our Q&A. So I hope you guys will join me over at Yahoo Finance. And I realize that a lot of you might be in school at 2 p.m. Eastern Time next Wednesday. So if you're in the middle of school, I get it, I totally hear you. We will be blasting out links to the replay of this live broadcast on our socials. So if you're not already connected to us on social media, I recommend that you do that now. You can go follow us at SupertutorTV. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/SupertutorTV, or you can go to facebook.com/Yahoo Finance and hopefully get plugged in and see this broadcast because it should be cool. And I'm excited. The other thing that I want to announce is that we got to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube and we are super excited. And I just wanted to say thank you to all you guys for subscribing and for telling your friends or commenting or giving us a thumbs up or whatever it is that you've done to help build out this community and this channel. We really appreciate it. And we hope to make lots more videos for you guys. So thanks for plugging in. I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Send your questions. And I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.